Y'all, this thing here is the absolute truth. The main attraction, hair growth oil for extreme strength. Okay, now I'm a person that has always had thinner hair. I have the little strands that always stick out and blow in the wind. Y'all, I've been using this on my locks every single day. You only need a little bit. I put it on my fingers and I massage it into my problem areas. Y'all, this thing got my hair growing so thick. Okay, when I tell you my hair grew so fast within these few couple months, y'all better get y'all some. I went ahead and got the mini because I wanted to try it out before getting the big one, but I'm definitely gonna go back and invest in the larger size before it sell out. Get y'all some. Get y'all some if y'all have thinner hair. So y'all, this is the first day that I got my locks installed. Y'all, them things was blowing in the wind, but the parts were on point. This is about the second time I got my retwist, but you all can see by the ends that my hair was pretty thin and I had a whole bunch of flyaways. But when I tell y'all, I set up a routine of moisturizing my hair and massaging a great oil in it every single day or every other day. Y'all, my hair is growing so thick and so freaking fast. I kid you not. I am so happy with how my hair is thriving, y'all. It's getting length like no other. Pretty soon I'm gonna be able to style it up and I'm so excited for it. Y'all make sure y'all check out the main attraction and get the hair growth oil. It's two kinds. It's the regular kind and now they have the extra strength, which I'm currently using right now and making sure I massage that thing into this scalp. Y'all, you will get length like no other. I told y'all so. Make sure y'all check it out if y'all haven't. I'll attach the link below.